European stock markets are trading slightly higher this morning, with the UK's FTSE 100 index currently up around about 13 points, while the Euro Stoxx 50 index is higher by around about 7 points at the moment. When it comes to commodities, gold is down around about $9. Oil prices are easing. Brent's now at 114, creeping off from around 115 yesterday, as fears over a strike in Syria by the Western forces have started to recede after the UK Parliament rejected the UK intervening with military action in Syria as of now. And when it comes to other asset classes such as core government bonds, they are being dumped in favor for equities. US stock futures are trading higher also, with the Dow Industrial Average front month futures contract currently up about 34 points. The dollar is the standout winner against its rivals, and in the peripheral bond market space, Italian, Spanish and Portuguese bond yields are all very calm. It's Friday. Good morning. I'm Ishaq, Siddiqi, and welcome to your daily market bite. I want to give you a quick idea of what's going on. I'll keep it very, very brief. So overnight we had a decent session in the US. Now, I was given due to the fact that we actually had some very good economic data out from America. US second quarter GDP was revised higher, came in at 2.5%. Pretty good number. Investors were encouraged by that. It didn't really do anything with our fears about tapering. If anything, only hastened the Fed's resolve to taper in September. Nonetheless, the key driver this week has of course been fears of a strike by the Western forces in Syria. However, it's been fading somewhat. Some of the worries are receding about that happening just yet, as it's been rejected by the UK Parliament, and now the US is also considering whether it should or it shouldn't, especially given the fact that the UK has now backed out. And when it comes to the US, of course, they're haunted by their past and the military intervention in Iraq the 10 years ago, which was not legal and sanctioned by the UN. So a lot of the fears in the market are now starting to fade, and that's helping some of that risk turn kick back in. Now, when it comes to the overnight session in Asia, we are generally higher across the board. We had some pretty good data out of Japan, from industrial production to consumer price inflation. That's kicked up risk sentiment coming into the European Open. It's a marginally firm start in Europe. We are looking for some economic data to give us a bigger boost. We have Eurozone confidence indicators. At the same time, we have Eurozone unemployment. Confidence indicators should be better than expected, but unemployment is still a bit of a sticky one for us here in Europe, given the fact that the deep austerity measures and the structural reforms that a lot of the peripheral countries are implementing right now, Greece, Spain, Portugal, etc., they have caused a wealth of unemployment in those particular countries, especially with the youth. So that may be something that might shake up the markets. In the US, after that, we have Chicago PMIs, so watch out for those. That is all for your daily market bite. I will see you guys next week. Have a lovely weekend. Cheers.